Okay, you're gonna have some?
Are you feeding Trinity? Jamie? Are you feeding Trinity?
I'm trying. Trinity, he's leaving you presents.
Trin! Get her over there.
Trin, you're stupid. Come here. Come here. He dropped you some food right there. Trinity, look at him. He's dropping food like crazy. Are you feeding
really
the dog? He might just be doing it to see if it falls.
I think he's trying to feed Trinity. Whoa. Where's Trinity? Is that fun?